Hi there, today I'm going to review the Titan Deep Freeze Lunchbox, and what I really like about this thing, there's so many things to like about it actually. One is it's got multiple ways that you can carry it, and like if you've got soup or something like that, you can't obviously carry it like this. So it's got this hand strap here, and it's also got these little handles here. So I'll show you in just a minute. It does have a shoulder strap, and you could move that to these, or you can put it up here. So you've got it multiple ways that you can carry it. You can also, if you don't want to use the big strap, you can unstrap this and connect it over a shoulder strap as well. As you're buckling this, you got to be careful. Make sure you don't pinch your fingers there, so snap that. This is reflective, so if your kids are carrying this, it does have some reflection on it, like they're getting off the bus or something like that. It makes it easy. So let's go ahead and dive into what's inside. Let me unzip this and open it up. And this comes with a container with an additional container that you can put your condiments, salad dressing, different things like that in there. It comes with two ice walls, and when these are frozen, and it says it's if the temperature is under 40 degrees, this will keep your food cold up to 6 hours. You know, it's impacted by the temperature, the outside temperature, and also it says to have your food cold in the refrigerator. So if your food is cold before you put it in here, it'll keep it cold longer. And as I said, it comes with this handy dandy strap. The dimensions on this is about 9 inches by, or this is probably about 10 inches, 9.2 inches, and then it's 4.6 inches thick. But here's the thing: you've got this, and say you've got, your big giant cheeseburger, or whatever you want to put in here, or you want to pack enough for maybe 2 people. This is expandable, which is handy dandy. As you can see, you can pull that out, and it gives you quite a bit of extra room. So it is it is very versatile, and once you're done with that, then you just zip it back down into place, and you're good to go. So the other thing about this is it does have multiple pockets, which is awesome. Like you could put another sandwich in here, put something in here, in a Ziploc, snacks, and it will kind of keep that cool as well. We have the zipper here, and you bring that out, and you can slide your ice wall into this pocket with it cold. Zip it up, and you're good to go. The other thing I really like about this is, it's got this seam here, and it's got another one here. So when you actually close this up and zip it, it keeps it airtight and makes it, makes your food stay cold a lot longer. I do want to mention also, I put in one of the ice packs on the top, and I really like this about this. There's also, you put one ice pack on the back, because I don't know about you, but I really hate it when I've got food and it stays cold on one side and not on the other one. And so I do want to mention these are leak proof, and I mean, it's got a really good seal to it. You can hear it snap. So whatever food you've got in here, if it tilts over to the side, it's not going to leak out. Same for this. You tighten this down, it's not going to leak out into your lunch pail. So